Hey folks, not only are we cooling off this time, but we're actually picking up some pretty good rain in part of the valley. You can see the radar, that little arrow points down to northeast Cameron County, where we've got a thunder shower that's producing some pretty heavy rainfall. You also see some stuff right over McAllen right now. See the yellow moving in there up toward Farr. That's some pretty heavy rain there as well. Go a little closer into this particular cell, and we put it in 3D mode and kind of lay it down, and you can see that it stretches from Rio Hondo all the way up to about Arroyo City, then out into the bay. Moving to the northeast, and all the lightning now concentrated right along the coast. You had pretty good stuff in Rio Hondo earlier. That's in the process of moving out. This is the area that's under that flood advisory. It does include Rio Hondo, Latina Ranch, Arroyo City. But again, that stuff's right in the corner of this right now. This is when the 3D mode, you can see where the height of the biggest thunder shower is right here, basically right near Arroyo City. The stuff back here on the end, not much left. It's in the process of falling apart. Pretty good shower nonetheless for northeast Cameron County. That watching or that advisory in effect until 6:45. Again, you see another little batch coming into the upper valley. Scattered showers over much of the area this evening. They will continue tonight and into tomorrow, but I think you're looking at a vast majority of that rain being light drizzle, moderate stuff, nothing big with the exception of maybe an isolated thunder shower like what we're seeing right now. Clouds, they have been thick across the area today, and Future Track says they're going to stay thick tonight. Chilly conditions are here into tomorrow. Still cloudy at noon, still cloudy tomorrow night, even cloudy most of the day Friday. Maybe some breaks late Friday, but not much. Temperatures try to ease up just a little bit Friday, but look at Saturday. Saturday, we start with clouds, but by the end of the day, there comes the sun, and temperatures climb back in the 80s again. Rain chances about 50% tomorrow. We drop to 30 on Friday. Just spotty stuff, not a rainy day Friday, but there'll be a couple of showers around. Saturday looks to be mainly dry across the area. These are the temperatures where we stand right now. 47 in Rio Grande City. Remember yesterday? It was still about 80. That seems so long ago, didn't it? Geez, and 80 again by Saturday. This is where we are right now. Lows tonight drop into the mid-40s. That's about it. The island stays at about 50. Again, the rain and drizzle continues. Tomorrow, no warmer than about 50 or so across the area. Another chilly day with the clouds and the drizzle and the messiness. It's going to continue for another day. 73 is a normal high for this time of year. That's a 30-year average. Tomorrow, we're going to be 23 degrees colder than that. A little closer on Friday, back to 65, and then Saturday, back above average. We're not going to get anywhere close to that record in 96, but at least back in the 80s again by Saturday. Front obviously to the south, but notice how we're at 49, but San Antonio's 48, Dallas is 46. Look at that, Dalhart 52. They had sunshine today, so they warmed up. The cold air is bottoming out. Not going to get much colder than it is right now, but it's going to stay this way for a little while. Notice the clouds stay in South Texas, some breaks to the north. High pressure builds in and then gets back out of here. As soon as it moves out, the wind comes back out of the southeast, and that brings a warm front through. And that's what allows us to warm up Friday night into Saturday. But as soon as that warm front moves away, there's another one on the map. Very progressive pattern. Things are moving quickly. That front due in the valley Sunday. It'll warm up until it gets here like today. The morning will be warm Sunday. Once the front comes through, temperatures take a nosedive again. Could be a shower or thunderstorm along that front. If you're headed to the coast, lucky enough to be at the island, well, there have been luckier days. 52 in the morning, northwest winds, small craft advisory in effect. Afternoon temperatures still in the mid-50s, but that's warmer than the rest of the valley. By tomorrow evening, about 56. UV's low. Of course, rip current risk is high. There are the tides. There are two. Seas are 5 to 7 feet. The bay, a little bit choppy with that wind. So tonight, a low of 42. A lot colder than it's been. Light rain around, northwest winds 10 to 20. Tomorrow back up to only 50. Cloudy, cold, light rain. North winds at 10 to 20. Friday, we see things thin out a little bit, maybe some late day sunshine. Not much, but some, 65. Saturday, 83, and then the next front comes on Sunday. That's a lot like today. We start in the 70s and then drop. At this point, Monday doesn't look quite as cold, maybe 60 instead of 50. And then look, by Wednesday of next week, right back to 80 once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.